Hey guys, it's Lexi. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a little different because I have a lot to do today. Getting my stuff done and my life together. With that being said, hopefully this gives you some motivation to push through the hard days. That's what I'm going to be doing today. Focusing on all of my work, everything that I'm falling behind in, need to catch up in, and just kind of giving myself a reset. Before I like to dive into my work, I definitely have to prepare my workspace. I'm really glad that I moved into this new office space. I spent all of my time one Sunday putting all these furniture pieces together, and now I have a really nice kind of office to get my work done. Previously, my desk was in my room, and it's just not a good combination for me to mix the areas where I sleep, watch TV, play my video games with homework and productiveness. I still, sat down and tried to get my work done, but it just wasn't an ideal workspace for me. I love the new office space, and I think I'm really going to use it and always being here and actually get stuff done. I have been stressing so much recently. I'm 8 weeks behind, or was 8 weeks behind in my classes, but I spent a little time trying to get my life together the other day, and I did some homework, but I'm not done. I still have a few more homework assignments to get through before I'm completely caught up. Thank you so much, United Healthcare, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. We're definitely well into the semester. We've been taking exams and stuff, and midterms is coming up for me. And I know exam time, or just, tests and quizzes in general, can be really stressful for me and can cause me to have a lot of anxiety, because I am the kind of student who, even though I have sometimes a mixed opinion on school, like I love school sometimes and I do not want to get up and go to class other days, I am still the kind of student who wants to get good grades and likes to see A's in the grade book. Trust me, as college students and high school students, through talking with some of my friends, other college students, my peers at school, I know I'm not the only one stressing. Like, these people are taking 20 hours a week and singing choir and going to work. Honestly though, I am so proud of you. I feel like if you don't hear it enough, here it is. I am so proud of you. You're doing so good this semester. So I kind of just wanted to give you guys some tips. These tips are not even just for you guys, they're for me as well, but just tips on how to reduce your stress levels, reduce your anxiety, just take it easy. The first tip I have for you is to map it out. Whatever you're doing, whatever the task is for the day, map it out. The simple task of organizing whatever it is you're doing can be a big stress reliever and kind of just lay out in front of you what it is you might have to do. And I find that a lot of times with me, I think I have such a big task ahead of me. When I write it down on paper and really organize it and map it out, I find that it's not that much. I mapped out my day right here. You can literally see my whole day. I just mapped out on this piece of paper because mapping things out is just important to me, and I feel like is a tip I need to start utilizing a little more. So if you're making a to-do list, any kind of list, whatever it is, prioritize your tasks and just put them in order from most important to least important. Tip number 2, prioritize your sleep. This is always an important one. No matter what advice I'm giving you, prioritizing your sleep will probably be a part of it. Sleep is so important. If you don't get enough sleep, you just won't be able to attack the day as you want. 7 to 9 hours is ideal. I think average, I get about maybe 6 to 7 hours of sleep. I'm gonna aim for 8, but prioritize your sleep, make it a habit. Everything else can wait until the next day. Turn that phone off, turn those eyes off. Tip number 3, eat and drink wisely. You are what you eat. We've heard that a lot of times. We've heard Many people say that, but it's true. We are what we eat. So if we fill ourselves with energizing foods, nutritious foods, I certainly don't drink enough water a day as I should, but I honestly feel like that could make a world of difference in just simple things. I have headaches quite often, just randomly throughout the day. So I think if I filled myself with more energizing and nutritious foods and just water, that could go a long way. But your body and brain need fuel to achieve your peak performance when it's time to take tests and exams. Get your sleep, eat your veggies, and drink your water. You'll ace that test if you studied. Tip number 4, get moving. I recommend get moving outside. Maybe take a walk outside, get outside in the sun. You need at least 30 minutes of sun from the UV rays outside, okay? So get your sun after you put on sunscreen. Get your sun and get some energy from the sun. The sun has so many benefits and can help us in so many ways. You just gotta go stand out under it. So maybe take a walk, get some fresh air, go on a run, get moving, play fetch with your dog, get your dog moving, something. Physical activity actually boosts endorphins, which can reduce stress levels. So yeah, get moving, girl. And tip number 5 is to check your health plan. Consider taking advantage of mental health resources you may have in your health benefits. United Health Student Resources offers a 24/7 crisis line answered by licensed clinicians for your support and mental health concerns. Eligible students also have unlimited access to virtual counseling services with board-certified psychiatrists, psychologists, therapists, and counselors at no additional cost. So I really encourage you to look into this and just put effort into our mental health. I know I can get so caught up in catching up with homework or, you know, cleaning my room, making sure I have videos to post, and I can just completely neglect my mental health. Sometimes I need someone to talk to and just a place to feel safe and heard. I definitely encourage you to take advantage of the mental health resources you might have available to you. For more mental health resources, click the link down in the description box and let's take care of ourselves. As far as the work I have to do, is this test, this quiz I took. Didn't do the best on it, to be honest, but he's giving us the opportunity to go back and like revise or whatever. And then there's also a few other like science homework things I have to do.
What's up? Getting up, made a smoothie, riding bikes all day. Sun's out and I'm feeling some type of way. Said I'll probably be late when I'm on the way. Getting lost on a fade, my type of day. On a plane, get away, but I wanna stay. Pull up, still shining when the sky is gray. Said I'll probably be late when I'm on the way. Getting lost on a fade, my type of day. Letting loose with the homies, what I wanna do. Now we jumping out of plane, try something new. Take a shot, make a toast, spread love, do the most. Take a trip to the coast, got me dancing on my toes, whoa. Cause we in the mood, so smooth, we can slide straight in the pool. Take a shot, make a toast, spread love, do the most. Take a trip to the coast, got me dancing on my toes, whoa. Cash out, face, Henny, spread love, got plenty in space. Can't get me, blast off, get ready. Cash out, face, Henny, spread love.
I'm done working on schoolwork for now. I'm in no way all the way, you know, completely finished at all. I will finish, don't worry. However, I'm gonna move on to the next task, which is cleaning my room. That my room is so messy and I hate, like, I clean my room all the time. If only I could just keep it clean, but I'm gonna try not to dwell on that because saying like, if only I could just blah blah blah, I feel like it's counterproductive because I can do this. It's just, well, gotta try again. I'm just gonna focus on cleaning my room because I love how my room is and looks and feels when it's all clean. So just not even gonna worry about why I can never actually keep it clean and just think about the fact that I'm a great cleaner. Like, even though I can't keep something clean, I do know how to clean.
flashing, hoping we might slide out the back door here tonight. Feeling some tension, like you want me real soon. Full speed, green light, slide out the back door here tonight. Girl, I can feel your eyes on me. Think you wanna leave, but not alone, and I can keep you company. Can we get away, just you and me? So no valet, you don't need to bring my keys, 'cause I can drive in the backseat. No valet, just pretend you did not see. Act like you don't know me. No valet, you can leave the car out back, and if anybody asks, you don't know a thing about that. Act like you don't know me. Fog on the windows and my headlights beaming as it's flashing. I need you in this parking lot. Oh, driving me crazy. Oh baby, it's a chance we'll get caught. Too bad, I'm not gonna stop. I think I'm gonna move my PlayStation in my other room. There's two monitors in my other room. There's a gaming PC and a gaming monitor in there. My sister also sits there and uses the PC and the regular computer to like do work. When we're not working, she's not using that computer. So I'm thinking of putting my PlayStation, no, I'm not thinking. I'm about to put my PlayStation in there. It's really not ideal to play on this screen, this huge screen, and be any kind of decent, so. And if anybody asks, you don't know a thing about that. Act like you don't know me. Now I can have a lot more space. Like everything was just so smushed together. So now there's way more space. Oh my gosh, like I hated everything always being so tight and smushed. You made her. You got that. Oh my god. You so down. You wake up. Oh my god. My tub is so clogged. It's not even funny. So I had my dad pick this up on the way. It's basically Drano. Yeah. This better work its magic. But he told me to read the instructions all the way through. Pour in 16 ounces. Wait 10 minutes. Rinse with hot water. How much is 16 ounces? Baby, add a little spice. 2 cups of sugar make you everybody's type. But you don't want love, me neither. I just wanna. My sink is waiting the 10 minutes before I can rinse it, but I actually have a birthday dinner to go to tonight, or not tonight, but this evening. So I'm really glad. It's about 5:30 right now, and I'm so glad I got through just the chores and my homework. I had 2 big chunks of like stuff to do before this dinner, but I lost track of time per usual. Honestly, cleaning and my homework took longer than I wanted it to. So I still have some YouTube work to do, and then I honestly just wanted to take a break and just have some tea and a snack and either read, do some journaling, and make some bracelets. That is like super therapeutic for me. It's something I really like to do, especially when I feel like I'm having an off day, or I feel like I just need some grounding or just some time out of social media, my cell phone, everything. So I think that's a good thing that this got a little switched around. I still have like YouTube work to do, updating some calendars and brainstorming and researching ideas, and just talking about and creating my schedule for the upcoming week. But till I get back home, I'm not even gonna worry about this. I'm just gonna go enjoy my dinner. Hopefully there's good food. Alright guys, so I've been back from the dinner. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys for helping me be productive. Every time I just feel like I can't focus, turning on the camera and forcing you guys to watch me clean up helps all the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, hit the post notification bell. Thank you again to United Healthcare for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to click the link in the description box for more mental health resources. I love you guys. I will see you in the next one.
Oh, I see you, Mona Lisa. And that's perfect, you got that. Perfect, you made her. Perfect, you so down. Perfect, you wake